Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so flashing does not brick your device. Back up everything now, because Recovery ROM replaces system files. Make sure the archive opens and checksums match. Once done, charge the device above 50% and enable USB debugging or OEM unlock as the ROM instructions require. Next, install platform tools on your computer and place the verified Recovery ROM in the same folder. This lets you run fast boot, or you'll now boot into the bootloader or temporary recovery to begin flashing. Ensure your computer shows the device with a DB or fastboot devices. Use fastboot flash recovery, followed by the image name for direct writes, or use a DB sideload when the ROM provides a zip. Choose the method the ROM author recommends. While flashing, wipe cache and Dalvik if recommended, but make sure you do not wipe user data unless the guide explicitly instructs you, because that erases your apps and settings. You finish by rebooting to the system and watching the first boot. Expect a longer boot time as the ROM optimizes apps and performs initial tasks. If you hit a boot loop, return to recovery immediately, restore your backup, or reflash the ROM or stock firmware to recover. Also, make sure to pull recovery and system logs with a DB logcat or from the recovery interface so you can identify the specific error. This helps you pick the correct fix without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.